We'll guide you through how to delete and clear other file storage on a Samsung Galaxy phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you've been reviewing the storage on your device and you're finding a lot of data is being used and storage is being used by other files and other storage. We're going to guide you through how you can start deleting and clearing this. If we go and swipe up like so, you can come to your settings. Now you want to go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for device care and come into here. Then what you want to do is go down and you can go and find storage, wait for it to go and load as it calculates, and you want to go and press show more. So you can see at the moment that my other files takes up 5.86 gigabytes. Yours will be more or maybe less. Now, just to go and make it clear, there's always going to be some other files because some important system info and other info will be saved there, but we can still go about trying to reduce this. So let's go and dive straight into this. Make sure there's full guide, step by step, so you know what you can try doing. First of all, come down here, and if you are trying to go and free up space in general, complete these tips. But to go and focus on other files, first of all, come to unused apps. Go through the list here and you can choose some of the apps you don't go and use, and you can go and select them. And then what you can do is when you're finished is you can go and press uninstall like so. Of course, go down the entire list. I just did this quite quickly for the sake of this video. Then you can go and press uninstall and go and wait for them to go and delete. Go and wait for this to finish. And then what we can do is come back here like so. Now for the next thing, what you want to try doing is you want to come back to the main settings page and you want to go to apps. Now what can go and take up space in those other files is app data. So what you want to do is start reviewing your apps here, as some apps are going to go and hold a lot of files. So the main ones I can think of is things like Spotify, Amazon Prime Video, and other apps where you can go and download files within it, like music and shows. So that can apply to YouTube as well. So what you can do is start going through this list here and sort of looking at apps which can go and take up a lot of space. So one I can think of is, for example, Drive here. So I could tap on Drive. Then what you can do is scroll down and you can go and press storage, and then you can go and see this takes up 177 megabytes of data. So what I could do is press clear data in the bottom left, just confirm that will be deleted permanently. Consider that. I'm going to press delete though, and that'll then go and free up 177 there. And then what you can do is come back and you can go and repeat that for other apps. What you can also do at the top here is if you come right to the top and go and press on the sort button to the right, you could go and sort it by size. You could press OK there and then go and sort it by size to go make it quicker. For example, I could come into CapCut here. Then we can go and scroll down and I can come into storage. And then what I could do is go and press clear data in the bottom left and then press delete again. And of course, just confirm but you can repeat that. And that will then go and be freeing up space. And so what you can do is go through the list and go and keep on doing that for as long as you need to. Next, you can come back here. And then what you want to do is you want to go and find device care. And then wait for this. And what we can try doing is optimizing it. So you can go and press optimize now. And what you can do is go and let this complete. And this will go and help free up that storage there. So go and be patient and it's now optimized and you can go and press done. And hopefully that'll go and free up some storage. It may not. Now the next thing we can try doing is going and clearing the cache. That can go and free it up. So to go and do this, we need to go and put it into recovery mode. So you need to go and tap and hold this side button like so. Then from here, you need to go and press power off. Press power off again. Now you need to go and wait for this to go and shut down. Go and be patient. And now we'll go and vibrate. What you now need to do, I found on this device, is you need to go and plug it into a computer. So grab one end of the cable, plug it into a computer, and grab the other end and plug it into the phone. You don't always have to do this with all devices. If you find you can't get it into recovery mode, you can always try doing this. But I just find it easy to do it anyway. Then what you want to do is we're going to wait for it to go and start charging, but we're going to go and press the side button and the volume increase button. We're going to hold them down together like so. So it's now showing us that percentage. So I'll go and start tapping and holding them like so. Keep these held down until you go and see the Samsung screen, and then you can go and release, and it's going to go and take you into the recovery mode. Go and wait. And then what you can do is you can go and tap down here, and you want to go and find the option for wipe cache partition. So you want to go and then press the side button to select it, use the volume up and down to go up and down, and then you can go and confirm a decision and it's going to wipe the cache. So if you're sure, go and press yes. And now you can go and see it's now completed. And then what you can do is go and select reboot system now. And then it's going to go and restart. Go and wait for it to go and come back on. You can then unplug your device. And now hopefully you've gone and cleared and deleted some of the other storage and you've freed some up. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.